So first up, you're gonna wanna head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right, there's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride. Yo, check out this ride. Roger Dodger's a classic. Power, speed, and style. I mean, have you seen that engine? It can be all yours for some red wheels. Let's go get some. Tap he bam! First challenge! Hit it! Challenge accepted! I hope you've got your thinking cap on. This is a puzzle trial. Your goal is to fix the track in order to get your car from this launcher to the finish ring. Can you do it? Sure you can. Here are your track pieces. Boom! Get busy building. Just grab a track piece, slide them over, and drop them where you think they fit. Excellent! You got this! All right, let's finish up the track. Test your track at any time by pressing the Go button. Need an assist? Call in the Epic! So if you need a hint, remember the jet. Hey, don't fret, just call the jet. Ha! Alrighty then, just smash the Go button and go get your red wheel. Arcade steering. Here's a loaner until you get your own ride. Pull the launcher all the way back to get your car going. Keep here we go. You got it. Keep going, champ. Nice. You got red wheels. We've got one more in store. Hit it! Let's race mode! Challenge accepted! This is a race challenge. Time to bring your A game. Gotta tap fast to launch your car. Two-finger controls. Okay, you can do better next time. Show me what you've got! I know, right? That was cool. Nice. You got red wheels. Oh, yeah. This Roger Dodger is ready to roll. Challenge cleared. You've completed all the daily challenges available. You can play more with the Ultimate Pass. got something much better lined up. That's a ton of track pieces! Connect them to your launcher and get building. When you're ready to race your track, slap the race button. No rush though. Take your time. Make it awesome. Press the spin button for a random name, or swipe the reels to create one. Choose your ride. Race on! See these? They're... Arcade steering! Right? That was cool! And the winner is Twin Mill 3. Hot Wheels incoming! One new prize coming right up! A master of tricks and stunts. Choose the Bone Shaker if you've got a sense for flair. Get ready! You'll need more wheels to win this one. Hey, I have one more thing to show. Tap the Worldwide Track button. You might not know this, but you can race anytime by pressing the choose a car and smash that race button. Put the pedal to the metal, friend. This one's not gonna be easy. Do better! And the winner is Dogzilla! What a ride! You should definitely share it online. I'm sure everyone will love it. Welcome to World Tracks! Here, challenge accepted! All right,